This isn't a tutorial. Y'all deserve to see the struggle.
Tuesday, I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Hey guys, it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And today we are finally going to do this hair underneath here. It's been in twists and separated all day, and I really want to do like jumbo butterfly twists. I don't have hair for butterfly twists, but we're gonna make do what I do. So first I'm gonna be back, but I'm going to be separating my hair in a little section so that I can crochet right through them.
Tomorrow for sure.
Hey guys, it has been a couple days. I have dragged this out way longer than it needs to be dragged out, but the hair is braided and ready to be crocheted. I put more pieces on this side because I am hoping that I want the hair more to fall on this side. I wish I parted it a little bit more, but it's not a big deal. It looks literally like a middle part, like it's like 1 literal millimeter away, but that's okay. My goal is to have short, big twists, okay? I would love to have butterfly locks, but sis didn't buy butterfly lock hair, so we're gonna do what we gotta do. I think this might work. This might be the getaway. I'm going to be using hair I already you guys know, used braiding hair, but it already has that curl, so I'm hoping it will give us a nice effect. I don't know, but we're gonna try it, and I'm so excited. I've never crocheted my hair. This is the first. I'm always doing first with y'all because y'all deserve to see the struggle. You guys remember I did my braids for the first time, and then the second time I did my braids, they actually looked bomb. I'll show like videos here and stuff. They looked bomb. I was so happy with them. I was so proud of myself, but that happened the second time, which made them better, was I had more patience and I did way more hair and filled out my hair more. So we might have that situation with this one. This isn't a tutorial. I feel like I'm not gonna fail. Stiff. I need it to be a little more movable. And then I want it to be a little more roughed out. It's not doing that for me. I'll be back. I'm gonna show my mom and see what she thinks. So we're having a couple dilemmas. It was ugly, okay? It was stiff, and I'm really just playing around, but literally tonight I need to have this hair done. Like, it's not a question. It's going to be done today. I have this hair that I'm going to try and see. This is 100% Chronicles, I think. I have a lot of hair, like a lot of different hair. So in this house, so I'm just going to be playing around with the hair we have. This hair is texturized. I like that. Okay, y'all. I'm struggling, okay? This is a fail, and I figured it would be, because I don't have the right hair to start off with. So I've been taking these twists, they're crochets, and I've been cutting them because I want them short, and this is how they look right now. They're not filled out. I want to fill them out, or I can even like pull them apart maybe. We're gonna play around with it, but right now I'm just installing them. This one I cut too short, but it's okay, it's not a big deal. I needed about 30, so I have 30 of them. Take one of these, and I've measured it out. I want it to be, this hair is already longer than I wanted it to be. I literally just wanted it to be up to my collarbone, like I wanted it to be really short. So at the end, we'll see. I might cut it more, but I guess it's good to start off slow. So I've been cutting off basically the entire tail. done. It doesn't look bad, but I have these pieces of my hair out and I think I'm gonna wrap them or something. Maybe we'll have some wraps and some curls. I don't know. I was going to wrap this hair, but I think this is the best way to get my hair to fill out. So I might add more hair in, fill it out up here. Let me play around with this hair. I already wrapped one and they're gonna be like this. So I'm gonna have a couple like this and then a couple like this. It's gonna add more, what's it called? And if it still doesn't fill out, I'm gonna add more crochet. Okay, so I filled it out. The next step is filling out the top. As you guys see, there's like this big gap and I hate that so much. So I'm gonna fill them up. I'm gonna put a couple hairs in here, but the rest is full, as you guys can see. It's short like I wanted it. I wanted it shorter, so I might I'm gonna go through and cut a couple pieces. Oh, you guys can't see, but I'm gonna cut a couple pieces. This was the most random style. I was trying to do like butterfly lock things, and as you guys can see, it failed so miserably. So now I'm going to be adding some crochet hair. I don't know if it's like too thick. I don't like big hair, but it's light and it's bouncy. That's why I like doing my own hair, because all the TLC and love for my hair. I can't fix it, y'all. This is it. Like, I can't fix this part right here. I know it looked kind of bad, but I filled every space out. Like, it's full.
Tomorrow.
I'm eating my words. I filled it in. Yay! Tell me what you guys think, because I think it's just too big, but I hate big hair. So this is something I'm getting used to. I might go in and like take a couple bits of hair out, but for now we're just gonna rock with it. Let me know how you guys feel about this fail. I'm about to go and edit this right now and get this up for you tomorrow. But yeah, how you guys feel about this hair? I love you guys so much. Please remember that always. New videos every Monday and Friday. That's my new schedule. This was honestly Wednesday videos are bonus videos, but don't push me on Wednesdays. They're very highly not gonna come. This was going to be a Wednesday video because I was supposed to film this morning, but things didn't work out. So this is a Monday video, and I'm sorry it's trash, but there'll be better quality videos every Monday. So look out for that. I got so much videos to do. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for the new content that's supposed to be on this channel. I even got a new banner. Y'all go check that banner. I'm just like trying to get on my grind, and I'm so grateful for this channel. And wow. Okay, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video again. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Have a great Labor Day, and remember, always remember, self-love is the best love. And not goodbye. It's see you Friday. Bye guys. Bye.
I'm still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.